Good morning, students. So today we are starting the numericals which are based on the first unit. Okay, but these units also these numericals also can be asked in the second unit. Okay, so this may be asked in the first unit or it may be asked in the second unit. So let us solve these numericals. Okay, so we will write down the problem statements first. A household refrigerator has a has a COP of 2.5. It it removes the heat from the cooling space from the cooling space at the rate of 10 kilojoule per minute. 10 kilojoule per minute. Determine the energy consumption of the refrigerator of the refrigerator. So let us read the problem statement again. A household refrigerator has a COP of 2.5. It removes the heat from the cooling space at the rate of 10 kilojoule per minute. Determine the energy consumption of the refrigerator. Okay, so let us write down the given data first. So let us write down the given data. Given data is nothing but the COP has 2.5, then heat removed, that is nothing but the Q, which is equals to 10 kilojoule per minute. Now if we do the solution, so Q will be equals to 10 kilojoule per minute, which equals to 10 into 10 raised to 3 divided by 60 joules, okay, per second. So the value of Q will be equals to 10 into 1 exponential 3 divided by 60. So value is 166.67 joules per second. So COP of the refrigerator is heat removed divided by energy consumed. Okay, and which will be equals to Q by W. Q by W. Okay, so COP is given as 2.5, heat removed is calculated as 166.67, and energy consumed needs to be calculated, so that is W. So if we calculate W will be equals to 166.67 divided by 2.5. So the final answer of W will be equals to 66.667 watt. Okay, so this is what is the final answer of the problem. On the same line, if we solve another numerical, okay, so write down the problem statement first. Calculate the efficiency of a heat engine which is giving 20 kilowatt of output when 30 kilowatt of heat is supplied. Okay, so let us read the problem statement first. Calculate the efficiency of a heat engine which is giving 20 kilowatt of output when 30 kilowatt of heat is supplied. So very simple problem is that given data is W output, work output is 20 kilowatt, then Q input is nothing but the 30 kilowatt. So the efficiency is equals to output upon input, which is nothing but the W output, work output, and Q input. Okay, so if we substitute the value, (20) divided by 30, as it is the efficiency, if we multiply it by 100, we will get the percentage. If we don't multiply, we will get the point value, isn't it? So 20 divided by 30 multiplied by 100, so 66.66% is what is the efficiency. So I hope you might have understood this problem. That's it for this particular video. Thank you so much.